start now, Sky.
Samsung Galaxy users can now repair their own devices. Samsung has become the latest tech company to allow users to repair their own broken devices. This has come about as a result of pressure from consumers, regulators, and even US President Joe Biden. Starting in the summer of 2022, Samsung users will gain access to parts, tools, and guides, which will enable them to fix products themselves or seek help from a third-party iFixit company. This announcement comes after Apple announced its own self-repair service in November 2021. iPhone 12 and 13 users will be the first Apple users eligible to receive the self-repair service, followed by Mac computer users. In the past, companies like Samsung and Apple have been heavily criticized for deliberately making it more difficult to repair their products. Using non-removable memory or batteries and special glue make it almost impossible for independent businesses to fix these tech items. However, this is not environmentally friendly. A limited lifespan of electronics adds to a throwaway culture, which is not good for the planet. Repairing devices and using them for longer saves money and is more ecological. There is another benefit to repairing broken devices. It would be cheaper to repair devices than to go out and buy a new one, so consumers will feel more economically satisfied. Having flexibility on how to fix or even upgrade their tech will give them more control over the products they have spent so much money on. For these reasons, the tech industry may start moving in a new direction.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's just practice only one word. Let's pronounce Sky cheaper.
Cheaper.
Okay. Do you have any questions about this article?
Everything are clear. I have no question.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for reading. It was clear. So let's start our discussion. Number one. Do you think that introducing a soap repair service will attract more customers?
Yes, I
Please share your
think.
opinion.
Yeah, yes, I think introducing self-repair service will more contract customers a lot. So, mm,
Mm-hmm.
it's it's better to weigh the like throwaway throwaway culture.
So, do you agree with this one?
Yes, I
Like
agree that.
self repair? Okay.
Yeah, repair.
By the way, are you a Samsung user or an iOS user? What's
iOS.
yes? Are you
Uh,
using iPhone or Android?
I'm I'm iPhone user.
Okay, I see. In my case,
Mhm,
I am using Samsung, and yeah, so far it was so good,
mhm.
and the performance is also I was satisfied.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so in addition to this, introducing a self-repair service,
Mhm.
I think yeah, it will attract more customers because
Yeah.
if ever their phone will be
Mhm.
ruined, they can be able to repair it on their own
Yeah.
without spending money.
Yeah.
Okay,
Especially iPhone is very, very expensive, right? And
that's
yeah,
true.
I
I
don't
can't
need to
afford.
buy a new one if I could repair them.
Mm-hmm. And you can use it more longer, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. I will just type the sample answer. Would you like to read it or after the class?
After this class,
Okay. Number two, Sky, do you think it's important to keep using the same electronic devices for as long as possible?
Yes, I think it's important to keep using the same electric devices for as long as possible. I can save money, and it's like environmentally friendly.
Mm,
So yeah, that's good.
okay. Thank you for that opinion. So, let me just see it again. For me, personally, when I was high school up to college, my phone, the brand of my cell phone is not the
Yeah.
same.
Wow.
It's always changing because I want to try a new one. Like,
Hmm.
it's something like it's always just like human being. We are also
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
evolving.
yeah. Just
Just
curious.
like,
You want to buy a new
yeah.
one. Yeah.
That's why. So we not we I want most of us want to try.
Hmm.
Oh, I want to try this new one. What will be the feature?
Yeah, I
Because
agree.
the it's always there's always, how do I say,
Mhm.
level up performance even with a laptop or computer.
Yeah, I feel same as feel when you were young. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
same thing. I was young. When I was young,
Curiosity.
yeah, I feel like more attract to buy new one.
Mm. But of course, when we get old, we have so many priorities, so we're not that
Hmm.
attractive into
Hmm.
technology. New
Yeah, yeah,
cell phone, laptop, like that. We try to save our money
yeah.
instead of buying new devices.
Mhm.
Number three, Sky, would you rather repair a device yourself or take it to a repair shop? In your own opinion, yes.
Okay,
How do you answer this question?
I'd rather take it to a repair shop. So I don't
Mm-hmm.
have any skill to repair tech devices, and I'm afraid if I try to repair devices, maybe I make make it broken more. So
Okay, so you
it's
prefer.
safer for me to take it to a repair shop.
Okay, so the same thing. I'm not
Mm.
good and I don't have idea about it.
Yeah,
So I prefer taking it to the repair shop. It's safer, just like what you
yeah.
mentioned. Maybe it will get more broken if I
Mhm.
try to
Yeah,
put
yeah,
something on it, right? Very dangerous.
yeah.
Okay, so dangerous. Number four, do you prefer buying devices from popular or lesser known brands? Oh, this is
Ah,
interesting. I think the one that you are using is popular, right? How about
yes.
the next time that you buy a cell phone? Is it the popular one or the lesser brand?
Um, I prefer buying devices, popular one,
Mm-hmm.
but I know it's good for environment to buy lesser one and my economy, yeah,
Mm,
to save money. But mm, so iPhone is very popular in Japan, so a lot of people using iPhone. My friend and my family, my coworkers, my boss,
I think
they are
it's famous
using yeah
in
same
Japan.
devices. So yeah, it's easy to communicate with same devices.
Mm-hmm. And for example, if you take a lot of photos, it's
Mhm.
easy to share if you
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah, yeah.
the same iOS, because
Yes.
iOS it's not so friendly in
Hmm.
terms of dealing with Android.
Yeah.
So I think Android to Android is more convenient. iOS to iOS is more convenient.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's right.
Okay, thank you. So in my case, of course, I prefer to buy a lesser known brands because it's cheaper. I don't have much money to buy a popular brand,
Yeah.
obviously. Okay, number five. Do you prefer smartphones that have large capacity of batteries?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Mm-hmm.
So, um, I like watching movies and yeah, and I watch videos on YouTube and a movie on Netflix while while committee
Mm-hmm.
while going to my office.
While commuting, okay.
Yeah. So um, using to watch the video, it's very take a lot of something like um, power of the battery. So
And do you usually stay outside? Like, for
yeah, outside.
example, in my case, I used to travel. I used to like, I like to go camping. That's why I need that large capacity of battery.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Even though I can bring, like, for example, power bank.
Charger. Oh
You
yeah,
know power bank, right? It's
power
very
bank.
convenient.
Mhm.
So in your case, if you want to study while commuting or listening to your YouTube videos,
Yes.
I think it's very nice. It's
Yeah.
convenient, right? Because
Yeah,
we cannot charge anywhere.
yeah, 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 that's right. When I um when I forget to take charger
Hmm.
when I go out, so my battery is shortages um, as soon as possible. As soon, so
Mm,
it's inconvenient for me if
I
I
know.
forget to take the battery charger.
Yes, that's true. Sometimes if there's an emergency,
Mhm.
we cannot use our phone,
Yeah.
right? Okay, thank you very much. We have number six, Sky. Would you like to work in the tech industry?
Ah, I wouldn't like to work in the tech industry because I don't have any skills and the knowledge about technology.
Mm-hmm.
So, but if I have some skills about tech industry, yes, I'd like to work. Maybe it's good salary and it's good benefit and welfare you can take.
Okay, I hear you. And in my case also, even though I love to, but I don't have knowledge, and I don't think I can be able to assess my customer, so my customer might get annoying or annoyed from me if they wanna, like, for example, some customers will are going to ask you, oh, what will be the nice type of phone or
Mhm.
tablet or laptop? What is the specs of this? And I couldn't answer that.
Ah,
So
yeah.
I'm afraid. Yeah. All right. So thank you. And this was my last question. Anyway, thank you for sharing your opinion.
Yeah.
And I would like to ask you, Sky, why do you choose this topic
Uh,
related to technology?
uh, Random topic. When I take class on native camp, my favorite textbook is daily news.
Mm.
So yeah, I take class every day. Usually daily news randomly topic.
Yeah, because you know what? Daily news,
Mhm.
there's always a new events like or
Yeah,
new
yeah, yeah,
article,
yeah. New
updated
topic. Yes.
article. Yes. So
So
that's why it's very
mhm,
good. You can gain so much knowledge from this textbook.
yes, and I
Oh,
want to improve my communication skill in English, and I wanna express my opinion, express my thought, and I want to
mm-hmm.
share my thought and opinion in English. So I want to improve these skills, communicate skill.
Okay, I see. Uh, by the way, how long have you been studying here at Native
On
Sky?
native camp
Mm-hmm.
for almost for 2 years.
Ah, 2 years. I see. In almost 2 years. In my case, I have been teaching here
Mhm.
over 2 years as
Over two
well. And
years. Okay.
I can say that daily news is really for advanced student
Mhm.
like you,
Mhm.
because if you are a beginner, it might be difficult.
Ah, yeah, yeah,
Like answering the question, especially in the discussion part, it's like exchanging ideas with the teacher.
yeah. Yes, that's right.
If you don't know how to express or you're not good at speaking English, like you're still shy since you are still a beginner,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
might be difficult for you to express your opinion.
yeah. Yes, that's right.
So it's one way also to develop
Mhm.
our speaking skills if
Yes.
we use daily
What do
news.
you think most good way? I mean, should I choose which text to improve my skill in English?
Ah, okay. In I recommend you. Have you done with 5 minute discussion?
Ah, yes, I've done
5
everything.
minute discussion is also very good.
Yes, very good.
Daily news
Mhm.
and free conversation. But free conversation sometimes the questions are very easy and
Yeah.
the conversation was just how do I say
Mm.
relax. It's more
Ah, yes.
relaxing
Uh-huh.
because the students and teachers can just have a chit chat. But
Mm.
it's a good way to develop your speaking skills because you
Oh,
can speak freely.
okay.
Yeah.
I'll
All
try.
right. Thank you. Thank you so much for
Thanks so much.
dropping by. See you again,
Yeah,
Sky.
again.
Thank you.
Bye.